one, two, three.
Okay, thank you, dear moderators.
Human AI
Honorable
nè.
judges,
Cố gắng human với AI.
and well, first of all, I'd like to clarify one thing that our opponent has asked a question. Do you think human that can overcome AI or can defeat AI or not? Or take the place of human beings? AI can take the place of human beings or not? Well, we are not here to debate about AI can take the place of human beings or not. We are here to debate how AI is evolving and helping us to do to do the things that are very difficult right now. And in this gallery, or all the people present here,
all those who are present here today, and respected to our opponent's party. So right now we asking about when we are ready to opposite to them. So can we use AI? So I want to say no, because I use the Buddha teaching. So I want you to express about my speech today here, because first of all we have to know the human birth is the rich of the valuable. So we have to understand why we are the human being, why we are born. So because the only human can one of the fully practice Dhamma and the gains of the wisdom and reach to enlightenment. Like the Buddha, he goes to the find the parinibbana and the enlightenment, and he got it, he did it. So AI is the, as he said, AI is, can do everything. But I want to say, AI is only a tool. This is intelligent, even the first mimicry for the human being, and like the speech and delusions. So, but AI just lack of the delusion and intentions. But human beings have an intention, and the chitta, and the karma, and the moral responsibility, capability, or awareness, which are the certain valuable and development. And I want to highlight some of the space about the human being. Like human can capable to the enlightenment. AI can? No. Has a karma and moral ability. AI can? No. Has a desire. Human has a desire and suffering and liberation. AI can? No. Human can acknowledge and merit wisdom, but AI can? No. So this is the be a lamb, Buddha thoughts. What Buddha thoughts? Be a lamb into yourself. Work out your own service with diligence. And I want to say, AI cannot go a full part of noble full art, because he don't have a sense. He don't have a thing, have the power of the thinking like a mind, but human can. So I just want to talk about the perspective of the human. Must be thought of innovations or ego, must be thought of the compassion and leader. So I can exist only and never replace spiritual journey. Thank you all of you. Begin with simple. AI is custom.
Chào, bộ mà chị đâu cả.
And more efficient than human. The human being takes time to analyze problems. They are coded and sometimes even basis. Sometimes like Lucas emotion. According to psychology, human make decisions based on emotion. Thank you very much, sir. I really appreciate your passion. Thank you.
Every time, every moment, imagine how you come in and see you. You came in by car. Car also used by AI. So you cannot imagine in daily life by AI. So if you can use some thinking by the in hard copy, you can use the AI technology. Am I right? Yeah. So you cannot use the AI. So every day we have to use AI. So we cannot in like AI. So in our society, is I know every day we have to use AI. So every moment we cannot use AI. So also I know that when I reading my notebook is by AI. So everything is AI. So you can like crying by AI, dancing by AI. If you're playing, okay, no problem. If you do that, also you can have that AI. If you're dancing, if you have something special, by creating AI. Thank you for listening. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
And speeches from the all the speakers. So I would like to provide some pragmatic and practical results of the humankind. So you invented by the human being, for the human being, and for the human being. So there is not even AI is not even close to compete to comparison to human being. AI will never be able to compare or never be able to have the level as a human being. In history, in researches, I have read many things. Human beings is the one of the specialist and the unique species of this universe. How it is special? It is special because human beings have emotions. Emotion is not a wrong thing. As my friend of something that says human beings have emotion. How do you say that emotion is a wrong thing? Emotion, we have emotion because we have sympathy, we know empathy, we know altruism, we know heredity. And as a human being, as belongs to all of you, I strongly believe in anthropocentrism, which means no matter how AI is developing, how AI is getting advanced, human being will always be the center of this universe. And I would like to give you one beautiful and practical example. Maybe you all know Miyazaki. He is an artist of Ghibli. Maybe you, even though you have posted Ghibli arts, while it is trending on the social media. So this style of Ghibli was invented by Miyazaki, and AI is just mimicking, copying all this innovation and creativity of human being. That's why when someone asks Miyazaki, how do you feel that your art is being used by all the universe? He sadly and disappointingly said, it is an insulting of my whole life. How can AI can mimic my art? I have spent my time, I have persistency, dedication to this art. No one can mimic this. Okay, I will finish my speech here. Thank you all. 3.
Okay, thank you, honorable judges and the audience. So we already have clarified that why AI is better than human, but we also received a lot of questions from our friends. We are happy to answer them. First of all, they neglect, did not accept that they did not use AI while preparing for this debate. And the information they have given, I'm surprised that how did they get those? Which book they have read? They started using AI, or using the search engine. And secondly, they said they are using Buddha's teaching. Of course, we are Buddhists. Buddha's teaching is very important for us to use. And we cannot imagine anything except Buddha. Of course, I agree. And they asked the question, AI can achieve enlightenment or not? Of course, AI is not designed to achieve enlightenment. But, my friends, AI can lead you to enlightenment. Just go to ChatGPT and ask. And another thing they say that AI have no desire. Of course, that is the greatest advantage of AI, not having the desire. Who has desire, he has greed. You know, he has the hatred, he has the delusion. No desire, no greed, no hatred, no delusion, no problems. Next thing they say, noble ethical path and spiritual journey. As I say, AI is not absolutely designed for attaining a spiritual path or anything else. It is designed to help human. because humans are not always able to do everything, because of their limitations, like the emotions, like their tiredness, and so many things. So but AI, as I said, AI can lead you to the spiritual path. And the next, they said that who will take the responsibility if AI makes mistakes? Of course, you humans have to take the responsibility because AI doesn't make mistakes until you are doing it yourself. So the another thing is emotion can defeat AI. As my opponent or as my team member already refuted, right? That not having emotion is very important. It's the most important part of AI because we are not here to defeat human. We are here to assist human. And we will act in the way how they use us. I mean AI. We need AI here, of course. Okay. Emotion is wrong. We never stated that emotion is wrong. We never said that. Without emotions, there is no human being, right? That means we are all AI. And the last thing to conclude, I would not put any more further questions. So I just want to say a few things like, so can you imagine a world without AI right now? You cannot. Because AI has become an indispensable part of our life. Even in my classroom, when I was in the classroom and a chance, they ask some weird questions, sometimes weird questions, we don't know about it. Okay, what is important, mind or the body? So sometimes it is very weird to know what is important. And what we use AI to find the answer for it. So my dear opponent, please don't argue that you are better than AI. Just come together and ally with us and work for the future development of the world and for the people and for everyone, for the plants, for the agriculture, for everything, by using AI, integrating AI with your brains. Thank you very much.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 4 minutes is yours.
I think they are already in the favor of human beings, isn't it? They are saying that AI is just to support human beings, so we are already in advantage. So yeah, of course, AI is just a tool. AI can never ever compete with human beings. Human beings always in the advantage. Human beings are always in the front. AI is just a tool. They are talking about that how we prepare this debate. Let me come up with some references, okay? In the Abhidharma-kosha, chapter 4, Karma, actions, where clearly the great master Vasubandhu has mentioned that the varieties of world appears due to the actions of living beings. Today, if we are living in the varieties, facilities, lot of options if we are having, then this is just the actions of living beings. I repeat, this is the actions of living beings, not the artificial. The great master, the Buddha, he said that Kicho Manosa Padelabho, which means that it's the awareness, the birth of human beings. So we as a human being, we should every time we should proud of ourselves as a human being. We should be gratitude towards ourselves. And we should take advantage of AI. So they are already in the favor of us. So let us grow up, let us progress. And I would like to thank you all the judges for allowing me to hear, and of course my wonderful opponents and all the audiences for giving your valuable time. I will end up without ringing a bell. Thank you.